Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to convert a photo to PNG format on Android. Go to your gallery and go information and see JPG is the format of this photo. Now go to Play Store and download Photo Editor. When you download and open it, open the gallery and choose this photo to convert PNG. Okay, go to download and convert PNG and save it. When it save it, you can write the file name and save it. Now it will be converted to PNG. Now go to back and open the gallery again. Open the gallery and click to photo as it saved and get info and see JPG to convert PNG. This is how to convert a photo to PNG format. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.